According to media reports, new satellite images show that the Chinese have built a defensive position at the Galwan Valley site of the June 15th clashes in which 20 Indian Army personnel were killed. The Indian Express said that the army did not confirm or deny the existence of Chinese structures visible in the satellite images. This is being reported even as India and China hold diplomatic and military talks to disengage troops along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. With 3,788 new COVID-19 cases being reported on Tuesday, Delhi has overtaken Mumbai as the city with the highest case count, 70,390 cases so far. The total case count in Mumbai is 69,528. With the number of cases still rising, the Delhi government has prepared an ambitious plan, house-to-house screening in containment zones by June 30th and in the rest of the city by July 6th. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade on Wednesday directed e-commerce firms to help customers identify the country of origin for all products displayed on their platforms. The direction was conveyed during a meeting with representatives of 20 firms including Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm and Pepperfry, following which the platforms sought around 10 days to work out a system. The Indian Institute of Technology Bombay has become the first major institute to scrap all face-to-face lectures for the rest of the year so that there is no compromise on the safety and well-being of the students. In a Facebook post last night, IIT Bombay Director Professor Subhashish Chaudhary said the decision was made after a long deliberation. Classes now will move online. Class 10th board exams for over 8 lakh students began in Karnataka today. Schools across Karnataka have taken extra measures to ensure safety of students amid rising cases of corona in the state. Students were given face masks and sanitizers and their temperatures was checked before entry. They were also seated at a distance. Separate rooms were there for students from containment zones and for those who were unwell. A Madhya Pradesh Congress politician compared central government schemes to daughters that were forced upon the country to get a son, that is Vikas or development. Jeetu Patwari, a former education minister and the working president of his party's state unit, wrote, "People have been hoping for a son named Vikas, but what they got instead was 5 daughters." Patwari posted an apology of sorts later after being lambasted for his crass comment.